Hello guys, welcome to my channel Tech Meets Travel. Today in this video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing a product that is a desk mat from Amazon Basics. When it comes to quality, Amazon Basics they really stand out and the price is also quite decent. The packaging is also good, as you can see from different angles, it's quite good and Amazon has done a really good job. Now let's unbox. So let's take it out. And that's the Amazon Basics branding and it really feels premium on the hand. And coming to the build quality, there is no compromise at all. Now let's open it and see how big it is. And that's quite big. The surface is really smooth. Now let's take an overview how it looks on the table and how big it seems. That's the Amazon Basics branding. It got a rubberized base to keep it securely in place so there won't be any slipperiness or anything. As you can see, it's a perfect desk mat to keep all your belongings. The mouse movement is also quite good. There is no kind of laggy or any problem you'll face. It's quite good. As you can see in the display, the cursor movement is fluent. So my final verdict is yes, you can go for this product. It's really good. And if you want to purchase it, I'll put the link in the description. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe and comment down below.